Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Angie at Chicken Scratch. Today I'm going to share with you all the cards and gifts that I received in the month of December. Our Stampin' Showcase is going to be starting this month in January. So the projects that I'm going to share with you are not for this, but it's going to work very similar, okay? So all the details about this program is on my website. Okay, so the first card I'm going to share with you is from Deb. Isn't that pretty? I have a post-it note so that I don't forget who gave it to me. Very pretty. Okay, next is Stephanie's card. Isn't it beautiful? It's so cute. Yeah, so thanks, Stephanie. Okay, put my post-it note back on there. My next card actually came with a gift, and this is from Renee. This is her card, her beautiful card. And then she sent me a 4-pack of these pens. Now don't ask me where the other 2 are. Because I use them, they're somewhere in my house. I love them. And it included the refill ink for them. So thanks, Renee. I love ink pens, and these are pretty to boot. The next card is from Kathy, and it opens up. It's an easel card, so it opens up just like that. Isn't that amazing? I love it. Wow, I'm not worthy. Yeah, that's an amazing card. My next card is from Debbie, and I have to say, Debbie, if you watch this, your handwriting is fabulous. When I say my handwriting is chicken scratch, it is. Debbie has beautiful handwriting. Yeah, really pretty handwriting. Love it. Okay, the next card is from Betty. It's a pretty Christmas card. My next card is from my friend Wendy. I sent her a gift and she sent me back a gift. Next is from Gigi. I love this. And the next one is from Pamela. Isn't that beautiful? It's using the curvy thing. Don't ask me the words or the names of things. The next card is from Carrie. I always get a Christmas card from Carrie every year. I always love them. The next one is from Angela. I love our no cards. Love, love, love. The next one is from Jamie. And this one is from GN. Next we have Jenny. Love that. And then my friend Dawn sent me this little thank you card, or not thank you card, heartfelt. I don't even know what I'm saying. My heart is grateful for you. And then she sent me this snowman soup packet. Love that. And let's see. This is a card from Jenny. This is for my aunt's passing. So thank you so much, Jenny. I am going to copy this format. I like this sketch. Pam, you send me the best cards every month. You send them every month. I keep them. I have them. I appreciate them. This is also for my aunt's passing. And Wendy sent a card also for my aunt's passing. Thank you. Sharon sent me this Christmas card. I think I still have this stamp set. Can't remember the name of it right this minute. Thanks, Sharon. Margaret, I love this card. It is so cute. Goodbye 2020, nobody likes you. I love that. So this is my only Happy New Year card I received. So, so, so cute. And Margaret, you have beautiful handwriting also. Okay, my next card is another one from Pam. This was a card, I probably got this actually in November. It was about the bingo event that we did. Thank you, Pam. Like I said, I keep them all. This one's for Tina. That was thanking me for a hostess gift. And then my last card, notice that because I have one more gift to show you, is from Renee. Beautiful card. This is also for my aunt's passing, so thank you. The final thing I'm going to show you is a fabric basket that Maya made for me. And she sent me a llama. My kids call me Mama Llama. So she sent me this cute little llama. He sits on my shelf behind me. And then a cute little stamp. Some candy that now my husband can eat now that I've filmed the video. This darling ornament. Some stickers. And these so cute wings from that dove set. And then this little card. I want to say there was something else in here, but it's not in the basket, so I may have taken it somewhere else. Yeah. Anyway. Okay, so that wraps up the projects or the cards, the gifts that I received in December. So if you would like to submit a project for my Stampin' Showcase, just make sure you read all the rules that's over on my website. And then in February, I'll be sharing a video of all the items that I received in the month of January. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye.